Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and I am so excited to open up the latest Be Happy box. This one, as you can tell, has a gardening theme on it. It's Bloom Baby Bloom, and this one will be released on May 2nd, so keep an eye out for that. Alrighty, you guys ready to check it out? Let's open it up. Okay, first off, these colors are amazing. I just love those daisies. It says plant your dreams and watch them grow. All right, let me open. Oh shoot, I'm ripping it. Okay, it's like, I love these darker colors. So this says, my garden is my happy place. So pretty. And this gives us a peek at what's inside. Live life in full bloom. So pretty. Let's check it out. Okay, you know I want to go for this first. But then I saw this on the side. Oh, they are medium discs, the standard classic size, and they're green marbled. We haven't seen a color like this. It's like a forest green marble. This is so pretty. All right, and then we've got some washi tape. Let's see, plants are friends, and then little plant. Oh my gosh, the same as the daisies on here. And this, I don't know. I was about to say that's my favorite, but then I saw this one. Plant lady. These are so pretty. Check them out. I'll take them out of the bag here so we can get a closer look without the reflective pieces on it. Check that out. It's so pretty. Okay. And then we've got the sticker book. I'll flip through that in a second. All right, we've got some sticky tabs, some kind of page flags. The watering can and the plant. Ooh, we've got two die cut stickers, Bloom Baby Bloom and Plants Are Friends. Oh, this one's my favorite. Okay. Ooh, this is so pretty. These are like daily pages, and they've got the bullet points. These are perfect. You could use these really for anything. They're dated. You can just put the date, top priorities, list it out. I'm a lister all the way. And then all the things. And then, ooh, the back is just dot grid. I really love the border here with the florals. Oh, so pretty. All right, let's see what's in this is. Let's check it out. Ooh, it's all packaged up. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna make a mess and I'm gonna open it. No, here we go. Well, this is great because it ensures that, oh yeah, it's perfect and pristine. Okay, and this says plant dreams and grow a happy life. Oh, it's an undated planner. All right, let me open this. First up, let's take a look at this planner. It is an undated planner, so you've got your gold months right there. Alrighty. And let's see. Ooh, okay, it says Plant Lady in gold foil. Let me move this over. So pretty. Notes, focus this month, and then birthdays and holidays. Super simple and very versatile. Let's take a look at the layout. So here's your monthly. Oh, wow. Okay. So it's got gardening projects, types of plants, budget spent, notes, and then the plant, and then water, feed, repot, pest control this month, and then bullets. And then you've got your weekly watering, sunlight, fertilizer, turn soil, pull weeds, and prune. So those can be like habit trackers, and you can put which days you did it. That's really neat. This makes me want to go out and like get a garden and get going. Look at that. I love that. And so it's changing color. We've got some blue. Let me go back. Let me just make sure. So this one was like a peachy tone. This one is blue. Let's see what's next. Let's look at this divider. A little dirt never hurt. And then we've got, again, with the peach. So it looks like it alternates. Oh, there's that peach again. Oh, and then here we go. The yellow, yeah. And, oh, I love these florals. It's just a different tone, and it's so pretty. Yeah, and then the green again. Let's look at this one. Plants are friends. I need to get on it. The pretty blue. And start gardening. This is just, I love the graphics and everything in this one. So pretty. So yeah, here we go back with the yellow. So it's yellow, a green, and a blue. This one says, I love my jungle. Home is where my plants are. And then a pretty one with all the plants. Plant a happy life. Sorry, I have plants this weekend. That's adorable. This is just so much fun. This is really perfect for any, oh my gosh, I want to see the inside cover too. Just very simple. Alrighty, let's check out those sticker books. No, I'm excited to see this. All right, I had to get a little closer, get as close as possible. So let's take a look. I already know I'm gonna love it. Oh, okay. Love all the florals and the different graphics, the watering cans. These all have gold foil on them. The cute little plant sayings, kind of like little puns. Little dirt never hurt. My garden is my happy place. Love grows here. Oh, the little clogs. And then all of the action items to do today to buy. Oh, wow. Plant name and then all of the different habit trackers. Oh, okay. At first I was like, wait, plant? You name your plants? No, hello. It's a type of plant. Marielle, come on. But see, this just shows I need to get it together and start gardening more. All right. Oh, I love these long ones. And then things to do. Oh, wow. We've got garden planning, seed shopping, soil test, soil prepping, amend soil, bed preparation, order seeds, start seedlings, plant seedlings, farmer's market, visit nursery, direct sow seeds, planting day, fertilize and feed, and first harvest. See all of it. See, they have to do all these things. I need to learn more about this. And then checking daily, plan the garden. These I'm obsessed with. I just love the patterns on these. Stay consistent with. So again, perfect habit trackers. And then we've got some gold foil. This is so pretty. And then we've got, I like the patterns on the chair. These are just so much fun to mix and match. Home is where my plants are. The pretty wheelbarrow with some seeds. Can't touch this. The little cactus. Those are gorgeous. The colors are just so pretty. They're just really different. There's like an earthiness, but also some softness. The little garden stakes and the shears and clippers. I like these half circles. They just look so fun when you put them on your planner. Okay. Got more circles. I'll be in the garden. Gardening journal. All the different types here. Tending to remember. All these little icons. Harvest log. And then our pretty decorative square. I call them squares. They're rectangles. Ooh, these with the little patterns, again, are going to be some of my favorites. I love my jungle. And these are just classic boxes and hexagons. And I love the colors in here again. Oh, and these have cute little icons in the corner. Love this one, take note. And then we've got some icons for all the different things. in gold, and then we have them in, I think it's black. It almost looks like a navy, but I think it's black. Really pretty. I like the way the rain is done with little plus signs. And then we've got our fruits and vegetables in gold foil. And also in the black. And we've got some clear decorative stickers as well. Those are so pretty. And I will swatch these out later as well because they're just so gorgeous. So that is the Be Happy box. Again, this comes out on May. If you have any questions, let me know below. And I would love it if you'd hit that like and subscribe button so that you can see more videos from me. And I hope you have a wonderful week. Thanks so much for watching.